Hymn to the rain. Gazing at the blue sky and the sunbeam overhead, the clouds gather suddenly and all around seems dark. I feel a strong wind blow through, with the trees bowing in submission. I hear the thunder roll its drums and see people rushing to shelter. With the wind and the thunder still in mind, I suddenly feel the droplets and the heavenly showers pouring down on the world of men. I dance and bask in it with joy and happiness.